Here we are at the Aoshima booth, checking out some new releases they have here. They've got a brand new kit in their spacecraft series. It's a 1/72nd scale model of the lunar orbiter probe Kaguya, also known as Selene. Kaguya is named after Kaguya Hime, which is in Japanese culture the princess of the moon, and which is appropriate because this was a moon probe. This is an all-new tooling, again, a 1/72nd scale, following up on their Hayabusa, Nikoros, and their ISS capsules, and some of the other spacecraft kits that they've been coming out with recently. So a nice new addition to the world of real space modeling, 1/72nd scale moon orbiting probe Kaguya from Aoshima. Checking out a new bike kit release from the fine folks at Aoshima. It's the 1989 version of the Honda NSR 250R SP. Now this is following up on their previous release of the 1988 version of the same kit. As you can see down here, I don't know if you're looking down here. This is one that was previously released. The new version, the 89 version, has some different cowl parts, a new expansion chamber, and some different suspension parts that are unique to the 1989 version as compared to the 88 version. So it's not a completely new kit, but it does have some new parts on it, and this will be available in December of this year. So nice new Honda bike kit from Aoshima. At the Aoshima booth, who, if you don't know, Aoshima is also an importer of Dragon into the Japanese hobby market. And I'm checking out, oh, we got some cool armor over here, which I hadn't seen until I just got here. The 2cm HobbyLink 38 with armored cab is a cool kit. This Bison 2, which I think has previously been announced on display here. That's on sale now. Yeah, both of these are on sale now, probably from HobbyLink Japan. You can get there. What I wanted to show you was some of these cutaway models in their aptly named Project Cutaway series. We've got a couple 747s down here, a cutaway you can see inside there. Well, there's Air Force One, as you can see here. These are 1/144 scale. Pretty cool, nice detail inside. A Braniff International commercial airliner. And what really caught my eye and brought me over here was this very cool cutaway model of 747 with the space shuttle riding piggyback on top there. And again, this is a cutaway model. You can see some details inside there. Very cool, very cool. If you're a space shuttle fan or an airliner fan, it's all wrapped up into one big package here in 1/144 scale. Very nice. And you can see in the back here, this is on sale now, the Apollo 11 lunar landing module. I picked one of those up a couple weeks ago. That's a cool kit. Now coming around over here, some stuff I'm pretty excited about, because I'm into the old school real space kind of stuff, and it doesn't get any older, schooler than the Mercury Redstone capsule here. I'm trying to find, oh, here's all the information right here. Mercury Redstone space rocket, as they're calling it. When is this coming out is what I want to know. I don't see any information on a release date, but it must be coming soon because we've got a test shot here on 1/72nd scale. And you see next to that here is also the Gemini space capsule. Here's my hand for reference. My hand's kind of big though, so these are probably actually bigger than they look because my hand's large. Got a little astronaut coming out of the Gemini capsule, which if you know anything about the Gemini space program, you'll know that that's when they started pioneering spacewalking in the United States space program. The Mercury program was the first space program, with the Gemini program coming second, and then of course Apollo coming after that with the landings on the moon. So this is some great new stuff coming from Dragon in the real space and real science category. Moving over here to some science fiction. We've announced before and have showed some close-ups of the Enterprise D in 1/2000 scale, fully lit, fully finished. You can see over here in the little box there to highlight the very cool lighting. And you can see on the model here the beautiful Aztecing diamond. This is all fully finished, fully painted, comes with a little shuttle. Now they've got some things here that are listed as Sanko Shuppin, which means like a tentative prototype. We don't know if these are going to be released as products or not. This is definitely coming out. Actually, it's coming out pretty soon. When is the Enterprise actually going to be released? It doesn't say, but I'm sure it's soon. But these tentative prototypes we have here, this is called the TV Image Color, white color version. As you can see, it doesn't have any of the Aztecing. It's got a little bit of a different finish there, and they're calling this the TV image color. And next to that is NCC 71807. This is the USS Yamato, which was featured in episodes of Next Star Trek: Next Generation. Very similar paint job to the Enterprise D that they're going to be releasing with the Aztecing and all that, but marked as the Yamato. So again, we're not sure if these are actually going to be released as products, but if they are, that'll be pretty cool. The Enterprise itself is also pretty cool, and it's also available for order on the site and will be released soon. So some great real science and great science fiction from Aoshima.